What is the cases for electric fires? Most often, it is due to safety insensitivity. Electrical fires account for more than 20% of all annual fires, so special precautions should be taken against electric fires. Orion's Korea SOLNECTOR integrated adhesive-lined heat-shrink tubing and pre-fluxed low-temperature solder sleeve in its design, and it is a wire connector that can be easily used for soldering, insulation, and waterproof. Prepare the SOLNECTOR that fits the wire size and strip outer cable insulation. Insert the prepared SOLNECTOR on one side of the wire and then connect the wires. Position the SOLNECTOR in the middle of the connected wires. Always use reflector nozzle when using heater. Position the heater in the center of the SOLNECTOR and apply heat evenly until the solder melts into the areas between the wires. When the heat is applied to the SOLNECTOR, the tube comes transparent, and you can see that the solder melted. Give plenty of time for the connection part to cool down. Wires connected by the SOLNECTOR provide excellent current flow and strong tensile strength by soldering, and the wires sealed with adhesive-lined heat-shrink tubing completely insulates and protects the connection parts from water, corrosion, salt, and humidity. SOLNECTOR are 4-color coded and imprinted with wire AWG to make wire identification easy. SOLNECTOR can be applied to cable harnessing and repairs such as machinery, appliances, and lighting fixtures, as well as transportation industries such as automobiles, ships, and railways. Choosing SOLNECTOR is the best way to protect your valuable property and life from electrical fires.